This is the part where I go and leave you wet in the rain. I know the things that I've done isn't really what you call great. This is the part where you cry, 'cause you won't see me again. And all the things that...
Hello friends, welcome back to Living with Cambria, and welcome if you are new. So today I'm doing a speed clean. This is all my tips and tricks for getting your house looking clean, smelling clean, and feeling clean before guests come over. This is actually usually my power hour I do before my husband gets home from work, and I just want to share with you just a couple quick things that you can get done in less than an hour. That way when you have that unexpected guest coming over, or if you're like me and you just want to make sure the house feels nice and clean before your significant other gets home, these are the perfect steps. Now, first thing I always do is tidy and put everything back in its home. So this includes any dishes that have to be dealt with, toys that are out, blankets that have to be folded and put away, just anything that is messy, just getting it all cleaned up. Because one big thing is you can have a super clean home, but if it is messy, it feels dirty. So getting rid of the clutter and the mess will make a huge difference to making your home feel nice and clean for any type of company coming over.
When your eyes won't stop looking at me, and the words that you said last night, they will echo through my mind, said they will echo through my mind. I can't breathe, I can't hear, I can't see. When your eyes would start looking at me, and the words that you said last night, they will echo through my mind, said they will echo through my mind.
If you are new here, I just want to thank you for stopping by and watching today's video. Just to give you a little bit about myself, I am a mom to two small boys. Alexander, we call him Xander, is 7, and then I have a 4-year-old named Bjorn. And me and my husband will be married 10 years this July, and we are currently expecting baby number 3. So these power hours are also great right now because I'm just way running low on energy. So doing these and knowing that after this hour I can go take a nap is huge right now. So if you are also just someone that has a hard time doing like a all-day clean, I highly recommend these power hours because you will be surprised at how much you can get done in 1 hour if you really just focus on getting everything done. I would love if you are new here to hit that subscribe button and join me and my family here on YouTube. I do mainly a bunch of cleaning motivation. However, I do want to start working in some lifestyle. So if you guys have any video requests, leave them down below. I will still obviously be doing mostly cleaning because that is what I love to do. However, I do just want to share just a little bit more about my life.
You stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. I wanna hold ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans, and every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. We went out of the club and we started walking the streets, and then we stopped for a while and you said you wanna kiss me. I remember thinking, is this really happening? I never thought I'd meet someone so beautiful. I couldn't quite believe it, it was magical. Just kissing under street lights on our way back home. Our way back home, our way back home. I said you can do what you want to with me, yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya.
All right, and then once I have everything just tidied up, I will move on to cleaning surfaces. So I usually wet dust. I like the way wet dusting leaves everything with a nice shine, and I feel like it picks up more. However, on the days that I'm just trying to get a quick tidy and get everything looking nice, I will use my microfiber duster and just go around and dust everything. I do have 2 large, very hairy dogs, so dust and hair is a true struggle in my life. So doing this is very important to make the house feel and look clean for company.
I wanna hold ya.
You can always tell where the kids sit and eat because I have to like go over the spaces multiple times because it's so much stickier and messier than everywhere else. I'm sure I'm not the only one that it's like you clean the table and you know exactly which seats which kids were sitting in to eat because the fingerprints and everything is so much worse. Now, I am also sharing with you, this is the order that I do it when company comes over. That way, if they get here sooner than expected, or say I don't have an hour, I have 30 minutes, that I do it in this order. So it's always tidying and then wiping down the surfaces because before I do anything, I want to make sure everything is tidied first. And I am lifting up the bar stools because I then plan on vacuuming. Another big thing I like to do because once again, dogs, hair, it's just real. So I always want to do a quick vacuum before anyone comes over. I also love cleaning out my sink. One, it's just something that I really enjoy, a clean and shiny sink. But I also feel like when you clean out your sink, if you ever have those like odd smells in your kitchen, a lot of times it can be coming from your sink. So a good wipe down and running the disposal, if you have a slice of lemon to throw down there, or I often will just throw a couple drops of essential oil down my drain, that will help make the kitchen smell clean and fresh on top of it looking clean and fresh.
talk to me. I kinda wanna understand.
So actually, I was thinking while filming this, so I show vacuuming and then me cleaning the guest bathroom. And this really depends on your situation. For me, vacuuming is a big deal just because of the dog hair and everything. And honestly, if I don't do this at least once a day, it's a hot mess. The camera is so much more forgiving. These floors were already trashed today, but they don't look too bad on camera. But I will say, if you don't have pets or you don't have kids or anything like that, big thing being pets for me, then I would probably clean the bathroom before vacuuming. However, in this situation, I do have pets that shed a ton, so I choose to vacuum first and then do the quick wipe down of the bathroom. But you're really going to have to pick and choose for your situations. If the floors aren't that bad, run into the bathroom and tackle that bathroom.
I'm the guy who never really said an easy goodbye. Always wait till it's too late. Just let it happen, leave it all up to fate. But there is a part of me, the memories too smart in me, telling me, begging me to listen to myself and let me be free. I don't wanna, I don't need to take it serious. She's trouble, move on, just do better, cause you're probably right. But I forget when she gives me that smile. It's like I never felt so alive. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love.
Also, another way to make your house smell and feel cleaner is light some candles. I light candles on a daily basis just because I love the ambiance of candles, but lighting a couple candles and spraying the different upholstery down with a fabric room freshener, those are all things that are going to make your house smell, which then will make it feel a lot cleaner. I focus mainly on the fabrics, so you'll see me getting the upholstered chairs in the dining room, the upholstery in the family room, and then a little bit in the air, but I mainly focus on the upholstery. So that way, if anywhere that lingering smell will be, I can get rid of it. And then into the bathroom, I do have 2 young boys, so the bathroom is a big deal. I don't want it smelling any funkier than it has to. I don't think I have to go into detail. I have boys. I'm sure you get it.
Sooner is a waste of my love, waste of my love. Sooner is a waste of my I just started to learn and feeling my way through the dark. I can handle the most, but I'm a slave to your heart. We should lay right here, no matter what the price, and no more tears, just a smile from you.
Yes, I do wipe all the way around the toilet when I am cleaning it. Once again, with boys, I make sure to spray my all-purpose spray on the ground around it as well. That way, if there's any misfires, that is all taken care of. A lot of people also ask me why I leave the toilet bowl brush in the toilet when I'm done. I don't do it for long, but I do usually let it sit for about 5 minutes so it will drip dry, and I'm not putting a wet brush back into the holder. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, gave you some motivation as well as some just tips and tricks that I do when I'm about to have guests come over or my husband's about to get home from work to make the house feel, smell, and look amazing. If you're new here, I hope you would consider subscribing. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell because I've learned that if you don't, YouTube's not very good at telling you when I post my next video. So make sure you do that as well. But until next time, guys, bye!
No more tears, just a smile.